you guys, you can see we got the shade cloth up on the high tunnel. We are ramping up into the mid 70s. This weekend we're going to get into the 80s, but tonight they're saying we are in an enhanced risk for severe weather. We think that this shade cloth may help if we start to get some pea-sized hail. We think it'll also help hold down the wind blowing through the top, but we do have the double insulated roof, which has helped tremendously through the recent storms that we've gotten. We are using the 40% shade cloth, and you can see it has shaded it quite a bit, and we think that this is really going to aid us in the summer months when things start to heat up to help keep our plants cool. Here is a view from the opposite end. You can see it is casting quite a nice bit of shade on the garden. Husband is working quite feverishly to get it strapped down before the storms move in, so you guys be sure and batten down the hatches. We have the south side open to allow for some air to blow through here, but actually it's about 85 degrees in here, which is very nice. So stay tuned and we'll let you know how we fare. Praying for everyone. You guys be sure and pray for us. We hope it doesn't get severe. We hope there's no hail or tornadic winds or even just high winds. We feel comfortable with the gust we've been getting recently, but we really don't want to go much higher than that. So you guys be sure and stay tuned. We'll update you.